Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. So I got a very quick and short video for you today. I don't want to hold you hostage. I want you to take this information and apply it as soon as possible. But this is in alignment with the stocks to watch video. All right, so let's talk about when a stock gaps down. All right, so gaps usually represent important areas of support or resistance. A gap down will indicate different situations based on the context in which it was formed. A gap down in a downtrend may indicate a previous level of support has been broken and now forms a resistance level. A gap down in an uptrend may indicate an end to or a reversal of the prior uptrend. Gaps provide an indication of a financial instrument's short-term outlook. All right, so the gaps have quick impact. All right, so it's a short-term outlook. You can make a decision that will have an immediate impact on your stock when you make a decision based on a gap indication. Description: a gap down forms when the high for a period, usually a day, is lower than the previous period's low. Look at the diagram. All right, when the high for a period is lower than the previous period's low. You see that gap? Since gaps represent important areas of support or resistance, they can be used to measure the strength of moves. If a price breaks through a gap, it is usually a signal of a significant price move. All right. 3 gap downs within a trend indicate a possible end to or reversal of that trend. The 3 gaps do not have to occur on sequential days, but may form many days apart. All right, now I'm about to do something. I'm about to give y'all something out of my notes. If the stock was rising at the end of the previous day and it gaps down at the open, it is likely to keep running down. This is an igniting gap. If the stock was rising at the end of the previous day and it gaps up at the open, it's likely to start running down. Okay, boom. Now, if the stock was falling during the end of the previous day, if the stock gaps down at the open, it is likely to start running up. This is an exhaustion gap. If it gaps up, it's likely to start running down. Don't let that go over your head. Rewind it. Listen to it twice. Peace and love. I hope you get rich. This is not financial advice, but if it helps, subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share this video, and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Come on, man. We right there. We're right there, cruising on, approaching 400 subscribers. Let's go ahead and get 400 subscribers with this video, and then let's go ahead and make 1,000 subscribers happen. Let's do this for each other. Peace and love, and I hope we get rich.